Hello children, welcome back in your reasoning classes. Let us start today's video. This video is for the students of class 3 subject reasoning chapter 2 number series, and in this chapter this is our lecture number 1. Children, you have done number series chapter earlier, that was your chapter number 20. Yes, so this is quite different. So I have named the chapter same, but in this chapter you will get to know something more. Okay, in this series this is our lecture number 1. In this video our subtopic is wrong number series. Okay, before letting you know what is wrong number series, it must be known that what is number series. So let me explain you about the number series. Number series questions are based on numerical series that follow a logical rule or pattern. In wrong number series, wrong number is to be found from the given series that is based on a particular rule. Okay children, this is about the number series. Number series क्या होती है? Number series क्वेश्चंस की ऐसी सीरीज होती है, न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस की, जो एक पर्टिकुलर रूल को फॉलो करती है. लॉजिकल रूल होते हैं कि अगर आपने कोई भी 2 नंबर सेट किए तो उनके पीछे क्या लॉजिक है. यू हैव टेकन द गैप ऑफ 2 नंबर्स, यू हैव टेकन द गैप ऑफ 5 नंबर्स, यू हैव टेकन द गैप ऑफ इवन नंबर, ऑड नंबर्स बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग अ पर्टिकुलर नंबर एंड सो ऑन. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द रूल. एंड इन रॉन्ग नंबर सीरीज, रॉन्ग नंबर इज टू बी फाउंड. आपको रॉन्ग नंबर फाइंड आउट करना होता है जो सीरीज आपको प्रोवाइड की जाती है. उस सीरीज में एक नंबर ऐसा होता है जो रॉन्ग होता है, जो पूरी सीरीज को रॉन्ग करता है. कंप्लीट सीरीज इज बेस्ड ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर रूल, बट अमंग द सीरीज देयर मस्ट बी अ नंबर विच इज फ्रेम्ड रॉन्ग, जो उस रूल को फॉलो नहीं करता, उस रूल से थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है, जो कि रॉन्ग भी होता है. सो दैट नंबर इज टू बी फाइंड आउट. So let us take example of wrong number series. Find the wrong number in the given series. Okay children, from the below given series you have to find out the wrong number. Example: 45, 60, 75, 95 and 105. Okay, this is a series. This is set up by a particular rule. That rule you have to find out yourself. वो rule आपको find out करना है. Children, you have to find out the connection between 2 numbers. आपको इन 2 numbers के बीच में connection find out करना है. Okay, between these 2 numbers, between these 2 numbers, between these 2 numbers. Okay, और the rule must be same. रूल सेम ही होगा. आपको एक पर्टिकुलर रूल फॉलो करता हुआ आपको मिलेगा कि ये इसी रूल को फॉलो कर रहा है. लेट अस सी. आपको इन दोनों के बीच में कनेक्शन फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 45 एंड 60, देयर मस्ट बी गैप ऑफ सम नंबर्स, सच एज 60 to 45 के बीच का गैप आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. इट इज 15 नंबर्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो 15 नंबर्स. दिस इज 15. No, there is not 15 numbers, and this is this 15 number? This is not also 15 number. So ये 15 number की ये subtraction की series नहीं है. So what could be the right answer? Let us see the solution. And here we have solution. The wrong number in this series is 95. How this is 95? 95 ये wrong number कैसे है? The pattern, the rule which is followed in the series, that is table of 15. Yes, you was little bit near. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 six are 90. So there must be number 90, and 15 sevens are 105. Okay, so have you got it children? पूरी series is based, this complete series is based on the table of 15. ये पूरी 15 की टेबल है. चिल्ड्रन इसमें ना 2 नंबर्स के बीच में गैप, एडिशन और पर्टिकुलर नंबर्स का गैप, इवन नंबर्स का गैप, ऑड नंबर्स का गैप, कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो दिस इज द टेबल ऑफ 15. All the numbers are followed by 15's table except this one. There must be 90, so this is wrong. Except all are right. Except this, all are right. So you can say the wrong number is in this series 95. Got it, children? I hope you have understood it. Now let us take your homework. Find the wrong number in the given series. In these series, you have to find out the wrong number. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वट एवर यू नीड टू डन, आपको इन दोनों के बीच में गैप या इन दोनों के बीच में रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. चिल्ड्रन, एज आई हैव मेंशन, ये 2-2 का गैप हो सकता है, 5-5 का गैप हो सकता है, 10-10 का, 100 का, 2 की मल्टीप्लाई, 3 की मल्टीप्लाई, एनीथिंग. ओके, आपको ये खुद से फाइंड आउट करना है कि इस पे क्या रूल फॉलो होता है. गॉट इट, चिल्ड्रन? सो लेट अस have you this is your homework and you have to solve it. After that, let us discuss the solution of previous lecture. In the previous lecture, your subtopic was number alphabet series, and this was your homework. AC, BD, CE, DF and the dash one. You had to tick the correct answer. Children, in this one you have to find out the relation. AC, BG, इन सब के बीच में आपको relation find out करना है. So if you move from the very first alphabet, A, B, C, D, is it a pattern following? Yes. After that, E. So there must be answer starting with E. It is starting E. It is starting with E. So among both of these options, one is right. Let us see. C, D, E, F, G. It means answer must be EG. So this is the right answer. Okay, so like this you had to done. Second one, D, H, L and P. Find out the relation between D and H. D, E, F, G, H means after 3 numbers it is 4th letter. After 3 letters this is the 4th letter. Now let's find कि क्या इन्हीं के बीच में भी 4 letters का गैप है. I, J, K, L, yes. M, N, O, P. So next must be Q, R, S, T. It is the right answer. B, Z, A, D, Y, C, F, X, E. So let us find out the relation. A, B, C, D, E, F. Next, G, H. Here is G, H. If you will tally with the between number also, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Means alphabets उल्टे जा रहे हैं इस वाले में ना, उल्टे alphabets हम count कर रहे हैं. So answer A is the right one. Option A is the right one. Z, E, Y, D, X, C and here is the dash given. So again in this one if you will pay attention here, so you will get to know also alphabets going in the reverse order. C, D, E, X, Y, Z. So there must be B and W. This side B, this side W. So answer is option C. A, W, B means A, B, C, D, E, F, W, X, Y. So in the between there must be Z and E, F, G, H. So there is option C. This is the right answer. E, F, G, H, Y, Z. It is the continuing series of alphabets. So this was the solution. I hope you have understood it. Still, if you have any confusion in the lecture, in the homework solution, you can ask me in the online classes. I will sort out your all doubts. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.